Alright, so now we're outside and we got our first cut made. Had a video of it, but turns out it didn't make editing or something, so we had to go ahead and make the first cut. And you can see this is the board that I screw down to the top of the log before we start cutting. You have to do this so that you have a flat plane surface to get your first cut made with. So it's just a 2x4. I cut it to overhang so that you've got room to get your saw going. And I run a 2-inch screw down through the top of this 2x4 into the top of the log. You can look there and you don't see any tips of any screws poking through, which is what you want, so you don't hang up on your chain and possibly sling the chain out and cut your throat to pieces. So we got that made. It went pretty good. It's a lot slower than cutting through a log that way than this way. This way takes a lot longer. So you just want to take it easy. Don't try to push and bind the saw up. Keep it up in its RPMs. You want to make sure you got good oil lubrication on your bar. If your bar starts smoking, you definitely want to stop. You're going to have seize up issues at that point. So we'll go ahead and get going our second cut and show you guys how this goes. Alright. What I like to do is sit behind it like this. Push. You can pull it to you, but it's real awkward. So, here we go. stopping that you do, and if you push too hard like I was doing a few times, you're going to get these spots that are dug in a little bit more. Nothing a little sand and elbow work won't take care of, though. Alright, so this board is cut to 3 inches thick, and you can do whatever you want to with it. You can rip it down and cut it square. I'm also going to be taking some more logs today and cutting them into square logs so they're easier to rip on a table saw. So, there you go. Watch your oil, watch your chain speed, you'll do just fine.